gents. Janie is finally home in my arms.
She's
Well,
not home.
she's in my arms.
There you go.
Oh, and she's right now in her cage because she comes and goes because she's going through her little new stage, getting used to her surroundings, trying to get a little comfortable for the ride. Janie, baby. And do you want to say hi? Janie, baby.
Right onto I-81 south, 50 left.
Good girl. Janie. Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss. Say hi. Good girl. You love mama? You love mama? Good girl. Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss, baby? Kisses? Kisses? Kiss a kiss to mamas? Janie, baby. Want to kiss the mommy? Kiss mommy. Oh. Janie. Say hi.
Continue 4 miles.
Give me a kiss.
Then keep right onto I-81 south.
Kiss. Kiss. Good girl. I love you. I love you. Say hi. Your love for me never changed, did it? Good girl. And that's it, folks, for now. Gotta thank the man of the hour. Ash, Ash, Ash. Pulled it out, pulled it off. Oh, look, she's come to join us. Kisses? Kisses? Oh.
She made a new sound.
Kisses, baby. Kisses. Good girl. I love you. I love you. I love you. She's finally back in my hands. Thanks to this man right here. Say hi, Ash. He's driving. We've been driving, enjoying the mountains. And the snow, because it's snowing. Well, it was snowing. When I got her, she recognized me, and we went from there, but she's in my arms again. Same sweet old Janie, even though she's snappy with other people. You still can't forget your mama, can't you?
You got her. She was a baby?
When I got her, she was 3 years old. So, and she was abused, so. Bye, baby.
You know who takes care of her. You don't let anybody mess with her.
Yeah. Hi. All right, guys. Keep you guys posted.